Welcome to Bike World. Today we are talking about the 2025 Hero HF Deluxe, a budget-friendly commuter motorcycle known for its strong mileage, reliability, and daily riding comfort. Design and build. The 2025 HF Deluxe continues its clean and simple commuter look with updated graphics, fresh color options, and improved finishing. Its lightweight body makes city rides smooth and easy to handle in traffic. Engine and performance. This bike is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters fuel-efficient engine designed for everyday use. The tuning offers smooth power delivery, low maintenance, and Hero's i3S start-stop technology helps improve fuel efficiency during city stops. Mileage and efficiency. Mileage is the biggest highlight of the HF Deluxe. The 2025 model delivers an impressive 65 to 70 km ERL practical mileage, making it one of the most economical options for daily commuters. Features and comfort. The bike comes with a comfortable long seat, tubeless tires, alloy wheels, and USB charging support. The suspension is well balanced for city roads, speed breakers, and rough patches. Price and verdict. With affordable pricing, excellent mileage, and Hero's trusted reliability, the 2025 HF Deluxe stands out as a perfect daily use bike. It's an ideal choice for students, office riders, and anyone who wants a low-cost, fuel-efficient motorcycle.